Welcome to video 5 in the complete HTML course. Now we understand the structure of our HTML document, let's copy our paragraph and headers from the previous videos in our body section of example.html. Let's open it to see everything works. It does. Now, let's create a new element, called the list element. To create this element, we type this. OL stands for ordered list. Now, our list is created. If we save, and open it, we can see that nothing changed. That is because a list needs items. To create items in our list we need to add another child element. Like this. Now, we can type in our first item. Bananas. Now, add another child element. Apple. You can add as many items as you like. Let's save and check our list. You can see that the items are listed with an index number. There is also another type of list. Like this. UL stands for unordered list. Now the items will display bullet points. Nice, you can use two types of lists now. That was it for this video. Goodbye, and remember the road to code is paved with good intentions.